Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys this week's bubble locations in Heartopia. So the first one is here, and it is located here near the art street on the umbrella. And that's going to be our first one. So this is where it is on the map. Our second bubble is here. You just have to wait for it to go on the bridge. So it's near the suburban lake. The next location is at Giant Wood River. It's on the bridge here. And then the next two we're just going to find in the fishing village. The next bubble is located here. So you have to go to this area. It's all the way out there. And here is our third bubble. Our next bubble is located here near the lighthouse. So you're just going to select it. It's right here on the map. And the sixth bubble will be here on near the windmill, I guess. And it is here on the map. And we have our seventh one very close to the one we just got, which is located here. It's going to spin around the windmill. The next one is here. Oh, where did it go? It's located around this area. It could also be there, but it's going to float back to you. And it's underneath the whale hill, I guess. Our next one is here. If you can't see it, that means it's already on the other island, but you just have to wait for it to come back. Here's where it is on the map, by the way. So just wait for the bubble to come back. Just gonna fast forward this. Oh, that took so long to come back, but that's where it is if you missed it. And our next one isn't very far. It's on this bridge here. So it's on the Rosie River Bridge. I'm just going to wait for it to come back as well. So that's where it is. We have our 11th one up here. So it's going to be right here on the map, but it's going to be the one at the top here. So you do have to climb a few steps to go up there. And our next bubble is where the stone cliffs are. Just gonna wait for it to come back to me a little bit, but it's going to be located in this area. Oh, finally. Oh my gosh, that took so long, guys. Okay, the next one's pretty close. I just need to find out where it is. Okay, the next bubble is going to be near the terrace, and you're just going to go this way and you'll find, I think this is the 12th or 13th bubble, I'm not sure, but here's where it is on the map. Ignore this. Here's where it is on the map. Head over to the forest and you'll find the bubble sitting in a tree trunk. And this is where the location is. And I think we have one more left. So just hang on. I think we need to go to the jump puzzle area. Actually, it's just on the bridge of the jump puzzle, going to the jump puzzle bridge. Sorry, the jump puzzle area. It's on the forest lake, and you're just gonna wanna pop that. And I think that's our last bubble. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!